don't know what to do with my hands. Speak with my hands. Hey guys, Jason from Hunted Engineering here. We just completed this build on this Hilux Rogue. Starting to see a lot more Hilux Rogues come through the factory. I really like the look of them. They've got that really wide stance, so they look pretty aggressive. This is one of our hybrid trays. So hybrid means steel and aluminium combination. The frame is steel, all the mounts are steel, headboard steel, but everything else is aluminium. So your tray sides, floor, guards, rear toolboxes. So you really get that strength of the steel out of the tray, but also all that weight reduction through using the aluminium everywhere else. With the Hilux Rogue, obviously they've got a wider wheel set. Obviously with the Hilux Rogue, they've got a wider wheel track. We've really had to flare this guard out to cover it. Got that nice taper in the front so it still looks streamlined, and down through the back here as well. Got it! This is our standard headboard. As you can see, it's got that removable panel in the middle with our logo in it. That's real handy in case you need to clean your back window, you can pull it off. Also protects the back window. If you're throwing wood in, it bounces, it's going to hit that, not the back window smashing it. The reason why we do these two bars is the same sort of theory, so you can reach in there and still clean your back window off. Also protects the back window if something does bounce off the back of the tray. If you see here, we've actually got 20mm nuts incorporated into the headboard. You can obviously attach your spare wheels to it. You can get eye bolts so you can tie to them as well. Another thing to mention is we've got the built-in Anderson plugs in the bottom of the headboard. Obviously if you've got a canopy or fridge power or whatever you need, you can just use those. Looks nice and neat. It's incorporated into the tray as a standard. And then on the side of the headboard here, if you need to run cables up to like the roof rack or whatever you need, there's holes here to zip tie it to it as well, and also holes in behind here so you can pull your cables up out of sight, so it looks nice and neat. The customer's gone with the standard rope rail, probably my favourite to be honest, and probably what we build the most of. Obviously we've got the under tray rear toolbox here as well, all factory, all standard, inclusions of a hunted tray. I don't know whether you noticed, but we actually moved the filler from factory back to the back of the car here. You'll find that you get a lot better flow, a lot better fill. When you put it in front of the car, it's very hard to try and get it to fill nice. And with it being at the front, you obviously can't push the tray as far forward, really closing that gap up, making it look nice and neat. Obviously got our drop down tray sides. You can obviously take them off, have a flat deck as well. Just as easy as opening up the over center latches. Obviously we use nice quality heavy duty latches as well. Removable rear pin. You obviously can take that out and put a hurdle in also if you want to add that later on. Carry timber and whatnot. Around the back of the tray here, we've got the reverse sensors incorporated into the rear of the tray. We've got our Maxi Steady, probably our most popular sort of taillight setup. Trundle drawer all incorporated, looks nice and neat. You notice the recess here for the number plate. That allows us to get the light here so it shines down. Yeah, little things we've learned along the way. And then underneath here we've also got the blind spot sensors as well. Yep. Do you want me to say more about the stance of the car over here? Like what I did before? Alright, I'll try and nail that to say about the aggressive stance of the Hilux Rogue.